Did you know that Sonic the Hedgehog, the iconic blue blur, was created over 30 years ago? In 1991, video game company Sega introduced Sonic to the world, and he quickly became one of gaming's most beloved characters. Today, let's dive into some fascinating facts about Sonic and his world that you might not know. Sonic was designed to be Sega's answer to Nintendo's Mario, who was extremely popular at the time. In 1990, Sega held a competition to find a new mascot that would be cool, fast, and a hit with players worldwide. After several designs, including a rabbit and a dog, the team finally settled on a hedgehog. But why a hedgehog, you might ask? Well, a hedgehog's natural ability to roll into a ball inspired Sonic's iconic spin attack, which is central to his high-speed gameplay. Did you know Sonic wasn't always blue? His blue color was a result of Sega's branding strategy. Sega wanted Sonic to match the blue in their logo to highlight their flagship character. With his striking color and trademark red shoes, Sonic became an instant hit. But there's more to Sonic than just his looks. Sonic's home, the Green Hill Zone, is as iconic as the Hedgehog himself. As the very first level in Sonic's original game, it set the tone for his fast-paced adventures. Designed with loops, springs, and enemies, the Green Hill Zone's colorful landscapes offered players a thrilling racing experience that was unlike anything else at the time. Even today, references to the Green Hill Zone appear in Sonic games, cartoons, and movies. Sonic's super speed comes from within, but he also has some help from the famous power-ups scattered throughout his games. These power-ups, like the Speedy shoes and the Invincibility shield, help Sonic race through levels, break through obstacles, and defeat his enemies. And speaking of enemies, Sonic's arch-nemesis is the notorious Dr. Robotnik, also known as Dr. Eggman. This mad scientist has been trying to capture Sonic and use his powers for his own evil plans since their very first encounter. Sonic is also known for his friends who often join him on his adventures. Tails, the clever fox with two tails, is Sonic's best friend and sidekick. He helps Sonic fly to otherwise unreachable places with his helicopter-like spinning tails. Another friend, Knuckles the Echidna, is the guardian of the powerful Master Emerald. Initially introduced as a rival, Knuckles has since become one of Sonic's staunchest allies. Beyond video games, Sonic the Hedgehog has sprinted into other media as well. His television series, comics, and movies have introduced Sonic to new audiences, expanding his fan base. The 2020 Sonic the Hedgehog film, for instance, brought the character to life on the big screen, delighting fans with its humor and fast-paced action. As we wrap up our exploration of this amazing character, remember that Sonic is more than just a video game hero. He represents speed, friendship, and the spirit of adventure. From his creation as Sega's mascot to becoming a cultural icon, Sonic the Hedgehog continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of children and adults alike. So the next time you see the blue blur, you'll remember the incredible journey Sonic has taken and perhaps look forward to his next exciting adventure.